बच्चों गुड आफ्टरनून, मैं संजय सिंह। वी हैव कंटिन्यूड हिस्ट्री द मेकिंग ऑफ द ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड। दिस इज द फोर्थ लेक्चर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। In this lecture we will study about the corn law. About the corn law. This is very important part of this chapter. In this part we will study that what is corn law, why was it implemented, why was it abolished, and what was the reason of abolishment of the corn law, and what was its effect. हमें ये चीजें पढ़नी है इन कॉर्न लॉ में। कॉर्न लॉ के बारे में अगर देखें तो इट वाज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन इंग्लैंड, in Britain in 18th century. Corn law, what is corn law? When in England, because of the rapid urbanization as well as rapid industrialization, when population of England increased, then the demand of food was also increased. Then, on the pressure of landlord groups, the Parliament of the England passed some laws which were restricting to the import of the food grains from the other countries to England. These laws are known as a corn laws. तो corn laws के बारे में देखा जाए तो corn law import of फूड मटेरियल से रिलेटेड है। फूड मटेरियल बिकॉज ऑफ रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बिकॉज ऑफ रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड अर्बनाइजेशन फूड मटेरियल की डिमांड बढ़ गई इंग्लैंड में। इसका प्रॉफिट लेने के लिए जो ब्रिटेन के लैंडलॉर्ड ग्रुप थे, दे मेक अ प्रेशर ऑन द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ द इंग्लैंड टू पास लॉज व्हिच वर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग टू इंपोर्ट द फूड ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द फॉरेन कंट्रीज टू इंग्लैंड। These laws were come to known as a corn laws. In this way, corn law was passed by the Parliament of the Britain. Result of corn law was that scarcity of the food grains has created in England. So the prices of the food material has increased very much. So the people who were belonging from the urban areas and the people who were working in the industries, means they were not engaged in the agriculture sectors. They were suffering because of the high prices of the food grain. So they strongly opposed to the corn laws. In this way, corn law was opposed by those people who belongs from urban cities area or those laborers who were engaged in the industrial sector. So strong opposed of these group of the people, government of England have to abolish the corn law. In this way, corn law was abolished by the government of the Britain. Now the important question, what was the effect of the abolition of the corn law? The important question of the abolition of the corn law, that again the import of the food grains was started in Britain. So The prices of the food grains had also reduced. Result was many people who were engaged in the agriculture sectors and were getting good profit because of the high prices of the food grains has left agriculture activities and moved toward the city area, toward the urban areas to work in the different industries. As we know that the first industrial revolutions has occurred, first industrial revolt has occurred in England. So there was large industries present in the cities area. Many of the laborers, farmers migrated from the village area toward the cities area and has joined to work in industries. Result was the industrial product as well as consumption of the raw materials in industries has increased. To sell the product material, the people of England, the government of England was in search of the big market and also in search of the raw materials. That's why a large number of the people started to migrate from the city area from the village area to city area, and after city area they started to migrate to other countries in the search of the market as well as raw materials. In this way, people of England migrated from England as traders, but wherever they got the opportunity or favorable conditions, they made to those countries as their colony. In this way, colonization also support to the globalization. Just like in India, a large number of people of Britain came to India and they started to trade with India, and when they got the favorable chance, they make India as their colony. In this way, colonization is also part of the globalization. Okay. After it, in next chapter, we will study about the globalization of the Africa continent. Thank you.